We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive overview of the RUNBOX Slim Wallets for men. This wallet combines style, security, and practicality in a sleek design that appeals to many users. The RUNBOX Slim Wallet is crafted from high-quality vegan leather, featuring a timeless, elegant look with clean lines and a hand-stitched finish. Its exterior often presents a carbon fiber-like black appearance, while the interior showcases a warm, tanned leather look, creating a sophisticated contrast. The wallet measures approximately 4.8 by 3.6 inches and is just 0.6 inches thick, making it compact enough to fit comfortably in a front pocket without bulging. One of the standout features of this wallet is its RFID blocking technology. Certified by the German Institute, the wallet uses a unique metal composite to block RFID signals at 13.56 MHz or higher. This protects users' credit card and personal information from electronic theft and skimming, providing peace of mind in today's digital age. The wallet also includes an integrated metal money clip made from spring steel, designed to securely hold cash bills inside without adding bulk. This clip is positioned vertically inside the wallet, which some users find convenient, while others note it can make the wallet slightly thicker and less flexible. The RUNBOX Slim Wallet offers multiple compartments for cards and IDs. It includes a quick access sleeve on the outside, featuring a small cutout to easily push out the most frequently used card. Inside, there are up to 10 card slots, which are intentionally tight to keep cards secure and prevent accidental loss. Users report that while the sleeves are snug and can be challenging to insert or remove cards at first, they provide a reassuring fit. The wallet does not have a traditional large bill compartment, reflecting a minimalist approach suited for those who carry limited cash. In terms of build quality, the wallet is praised for its sturdy construction and durable materials. The vegan leather feels smooth and premium, and the wallet maintains its shape well over time. Many users appreciate the wallet's slim profile, which helps reduce pocket bulk and improves comfort, especially when carried in the front pocket. The wallet's design is both professional and stylish, making it suitable for various occasions from casual to formal. However, there are some minor drawbacks noted in user feedback. Some cards, particularly wider ones, may not fit perfectly in the card slots, which could be an issue for those with multiple or non-standard cards. The metal money clip, while strong, is not very springy and cannot be removed, which some users find awkward. This clip can force the wallet open slightly, increasing its thickness in the pocket. A few users expressed a preference for a horizontal money clip instead of the vertical design. Additionally, some wish for more card slots to accommodate larger card collections. Despite these minor issues, the overall consensus is positive. The wallet is seen as an excellent value for its price, offering a combination of RFID protection, sleek aesthetics, and practical organization. It comes packaged in a nice gift box, making it an ideal present for birthdays, anniversaries, Father's Day, Christmas, or other special occasions. Many buyers have purchased multiple wallets as gifts, praising the product's quality and presentation. The RUNBOX Slim Wallet is particularly recommended for men who prefer a minimalist slim wallet that fits comfortably in a front pocket without sacrificing functionality. It suits those who carry a moderate number of cards and some cash and want the added security of RFID blocking. The wallet's vegan leather construction also appeals to users seeking cruelty-free alternatives without compromising on style or durability. In summary, the RUNBOX Slim Wallet offers a balanced mix of style, security, and practicality. It is well crafted with quality materials and thoughtful design features like the RFID blocking and integrated money clip. While some users find the money clip design less than ideal and the card slots tight, these are relatively minor concerns compared to the wallet's overall performance. It is a smart choice for anyone looking for a slim, secure, and stylish wallet with excellent craftsmanship at a reasonable price. If you have this wallet, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The product link is in the description, and using it supports the channel.